Today, we are about to begin the language that brings websites to life. Yes, JavaScript. Whatever we write inside, console.log gets printed. For example, when we wrote this string hello world, it got printed in our terminal. When we write var x equals 4, it means we've created a variable named x and assigned the value 4 to it. You can think of it like creating a box and putting the number 4 inside it. Now, when we write console.log x, we're basically telling JavaScript, hey, show me what's inside this variable called x. Now, if we write console.log typeof x, JavaScript will tell us what type of value is stored inside x. Since we had stored 4, and 4 is a number, the result will be number. But if we write var x equals programming, then x contains a word or text, which JavaScript refers to as a string. First, we wrote var x equals 33.2, which means we created a variable named x and store the value 33.2 in it, which is a decimal number. Then we wrote var y equals 22, which means a second variable y was created and the value 22 was stored in it. Now, using var z equals x plus y, we added the two numbers, x and y, and stored the result in z. Finally, by writing console.log sum is z, we asked JavaScript to display the message along with the value of z. Sum is 55.2. The purpose of this code was to add two numbers and display the result. First, we wrote let x equals 3, which means we created a variable x and assigned it the value 3. Then, using console.log x is x, the output was x is 3. In the next example, we again wrote let x equals 3 and later updated it with x equals 4, meaning the value was changed. So now, the output was x is 4 because variables declared with let can be updated later. Finally, we wrote const x equals 3, which means x is a constant. Now if we try to do x equals 4, JavaScript will throw an error because the value of a const variable cannot be changed once it's set. The difference between let, const, and var will be explained in the next video.